Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon, Eastern Iowa. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassidy. Well, the rest of today is going to be absolutely gorgeous. We'll see plenty of sunshine, seasonal conditions with highs in the upper 50s and low 60s, and winds are going to be pretty light. They were a little bit breezy this morning, but definitely not as breezy as it has been, only about 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the northeast. And then for the night tonight, will be a little bit cooler than normal. Yeah, not too bad. It'll be in the upper 30s and low 40s. A little bit cooler on our eastern edge as the high pressure is going to kind of be backdoor, meaning moving in from east to west. So there could be some patchy frost on our eastern edge. Not expecting widespread, but that is that potential. And then we'll see the upper 30s and low 40s on our western edge. And overall, pretty quiet night. Then during the day tomorrow, we're going to see high temperatures, again, around normal, but a little bit warmer in the low to mid 60s. A few clouds are going to roll in because of a couple of things here. A, we're going to see winds out of the southeast at 10 to 20 with gusts up to 25. And with that southeasterly wind, B, I guess I should say, adding to the list, we're going to see an influx of moisture, and that's going to help produce those clouds and then eventually some showers and storms. So overnight tonight, end of the day tomorrow, to start off with, again, only about 5 to 10. But we'll pick up during the day tomorrow about 10 to 15, especially during the evening hours, about 20 miles per hour. It'll all be out of the southeast, fueling that moisture. And then, yes, we have not one, not two, but 3 potential days of strong to severe storms, being Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, really for all of eastern Iowa. But we'll break it down a little bit further, kind of by region of which days are the most likely, or at least right now are the most likely to see severe weather. So here is Friday, and this is where we have the most confidence. Obviously, this is the closest, so that's where data is kind of coming together a little bit. But this is going to be a massive system, really stretching really all through the Great Plains and upper Midwest here. And if we zoom in, you see that warm front. The location of that warm front is going to be the big question mark, kind of similar to the system that we had last Tuesday. How far is that warm front moving to the northeast, giving us maybe ingredients, enough warmth, enough energy to see strong to severe storms? Right now, it's really for our western and southern areas there, and we could see all 3 of large hail, damaging wind gusts, and unfortunately a few tornadoes. Right now, it's looking like late afternoon into the evening hours, but let's show you that on future track to see what it looks like. So we're going to jump ahead to 6 p.m. on Thursday. Any rain and storms that are going to show up after Thursday night or after midnight will not be severe. We could see maybe a small hail chance. They're going to be elevated, meaning that energy is staying up in the atmosphere. But future track really has it delayed until maybe early Thursday morning. Again, I do think it's going to arrive a little bit earlier than this, but there is some data that's kind of hit or miss, whether it's coming a little bit later, a little bit earlier. But at any rate, we will see, I think, a chance of showers and isolated storms during the morning hours Friday. And then again, like Tuesday, during the afternoon, how much clearing do we see? If we don't see a whole lot of clearing, maybe it's just regular showers and storms. If we see maybe some sunshine or that warm front moving a little bit farther northeast, that's where we could see the chance of strong to severe storms. So you see 5 o'clock here, a line of showers and storms through the area. Some could be strong to severe. And then especially looking off to our east there, you saw that line moving through central Iowa. That's that best chance of seeing severe weather. And again, by the time it gets here, do we still have that chance, enough kind of energy to see those storms? You see 10 o'clock here, a lot of dark reds and oranges there. So maybe we'll have that chance. That'll wrap up, I think, by midnight. And then to start off the day Saturday, we'll be on the dry side. And then Saturday, we have another chance of strong to severe storms. This time, all depends on the placement of this cold front as it moves through. It's kind of a 2-pronged or dual-pronged system here. One to our south, which is a lot stronger. But then the one to the north here, again, as that warm front moves through, a cold front could be moving through the area during the day, Saturday afternoon and evening. So again, if we saw anything on Saturday, it would be afternoon and evening. And Saturday is, again, another question of how much energy do we have? Kind of, do we have the ingredients for severe weather? But if we do, all of eastern Iowa really could see a chance of strong to severe storms on Saturday. But details are still very uncertain at this point. So stay up to date on the forecast as we get closer to Saturday. But just have it marked down. We could see a chance of strong to severe storms Saturday. Then Saturday night into early Sunday, and then maybe even Sunday afternoon and evening, that system kind of occludes, what's called, or matures, and then starts to move southeast. And now a better chance for our southern and eastern areas during Sunday afternoon and evening. That level 2 risk, again, for much of our southern and eastern areas. So you can see there's a lot involved with this, but still a lot of uncertainty with timing, possible risks, and kind of what we can expect. I will say, however, that no matter if we see severe weather or not, we're going to see a lot of rain out of this, maybe anywhere from 2 to 4 inches. So flooding could be an issue. I know we need the rain for the drought, of course, but you get a lot of rain in a short amount of time. And unfortunately, it can lead to some flooding issues. Again, stay up to date on the forecast as we get closer to this upcoming weekend. So your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. So you see the influx of moisture. We'll see those warmer conditions. And Friday, again, no matter if we see severe weather or not, storms are, well, almost a certainty at this point. Then Saturday in the morning, dry. Then during the afternoon and evening, that chance picks up. And you can see, even if we don't see severe weather as well, strong winds. Southeast 15 to 30 on Friday, southwest 15 to 25 Saturday, southerly wind at 15 to 25 Sunday. Sunday looking a lot more likely for storms compared to Saturday. We'll see it Saturday night, and then I think continue into the day on Sunday. Wraps up Monday morning, just a few stray showers at best. Cools down a little bit, and then next week for the start of May, ramps back up with high temperatures approaching 80 degrees.